Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet and then fold it into half and then another half. Now start folding the edges of it from all the sides as shown in the video. Do the process very nicely and gently. Now turn it over and then make the edges out of it again and then again make the another edge of it as shown in the video and make a beak out of it very nicely by opening it. It will look like this and then repeat each and every step in the video as shown and do not forget, now make a cute little eyes. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and fold it from all the sides and then start making the edges out of it. Make a cute little eyes. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet as shown in the video and then fold it nicely. Now start making the edges by folding it into the half from two sides and then open it and then again make the edges out of it as shown in the video by folding it all together as it will start looking like this. Now open it and then paste it from all the two sides as shown in the video and paste the stars. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet of a given size and then start folding it and then fold the edges out of it, open it nicely and then put it inside. Now start folding the edges all over again as shown in the video into the linear way. It will look like this. Now repeat the process on both the sides and then again start making the edges from the middle of it as it will start looking like this. Attach it all together very nicely and gently and then it will look like this. It's done. Cute, right? For this one, take a plastic cup and then make a cute little bunny ears with the help of a sheet. Now paste it on the cup as shown in the video. Put some fairy light inside it and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half and then another half. Now start folding the edges of it, then open it nicely and fold it all together and then fold it from the middle side. Then again fold it from all the sides as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and gently and then it's all done. Attach it very nicely with the help of a glue. Paste it all together. Open it. It will look like this and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, take a tissue paper and then fold it nicely. Now start folding the edges of it as shown in the video very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this and then turn it over and then fold it into half. Now paste it with the help of a tape as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely, color it and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it as shown in the video. Open it nicely and then again fold it from the other side and make it into a linear way and then start folding it into half and make the edges out of it. It's done. Thanks for watching.